You are tuned to the Indraprasth channel of Akashvani. Today is the death anniversary of iconic Indian writer R.K. Narayan. We now present a talk by Srimati Ranu Mehta on the topic R.K. Narayan's portrait of Indian lifestyle.
R.K. Narayan was a great writer, a figure of world stature for his creation of the imaginary town of Malgudi, so lovingly made that it has become more vividly real to us than most real places. This famous writer was born on October 10, 1906 in Chennai into a Tamil Brahmin family. His father was a school headmaster. He was one of the finest authors of Indian writing in English language. His stories often explore themes such as the clash between tradition and modernity, individual freedom, and the dynamics of Indian family life. His style is marked by genial humor, gentle irony, and simplicity. R.K. Narayan, also known as Rasipuram Krishna Swami Narayan and Rasipuram Krishna Swami Iyer. Narayan Swami worked hand in hand with pioneering Indian novelists Mulk Raj Anand and Raja Rao. It is interesting to note that R.K. Narayan's early life was marked by a strong influence from his grandmother's storytelling, fostering a love for narratives. A close study into the life and education of R.K. Narayan tells us about his initially facing academic challenges. Later, the break from academics allowed Narayanji to delve into literature, particularly the works of Dickens, Wodehouse, and Hardy. He eventually earned a bachelor's degree in 1930, albeit after a year delay. His passion lay in writing, leading him to pen his first novel, Swami and Friends, in 1935. His beautiful lines cannot be forgotten, for he wrote, "We come together only to go apart again. The law of life cannot be avoided." As a young child, he had experienced each day a fictional tale, being deeply influenced by his grandmother Parvati, captivating storytelling every day. In no time, R.K. Narayan had developed a deep appreciation for traditional Hindu values and storytelling. When we think about R.K. Narayan's literary journey, defined by a remarkable body of work, his most famous creation, the fictional town of Malgudi, became the backdrop for many of his novels and short stories. This small, seemingly quiet town was a microcosm of Indian life where we readers find rich characters and poignant narratives. Let us remember his celebrated works that are known for their humor, warmth, and insightful commentary on Indian society. R.K. Narayan's ability to depict ordinary people in extraordinary circumstances made his writing deeply relatable. Interesting novels like Swami and Friends, written in 1935, is coming-of-age story set in Malgudi, expressing the adventures of a young schoolboy Swami. Next is The Guide, 1958. Is a story about Raju, a tourist guide, and his transformation into a religious leader. We have heard and would have read The Malgudi Days in 1943, which is a collection of short stories set in Malgudi, exploring various aspects of life in the fictional town. The English Teacher in 1939, and Astrologer's Day, The Vendor of Sweets in 1967, My Days in 1963, A Snake in the Grass, The Dark Room are the major works that made him a great Indian writer and novelist whose books beautifully make you relate to the cultural heritage of India. R.K. Narayan's works had a great impact in the film industry as well. The Guide became a cult hit film that won numerous awards. Starring Devanand and Wahida Rahman, the film traces the journey of a man as a guide to a man eventually finding enlightenment. Narayanji received a Filmfare Award for Best Story. The Banker Mar Gaya in 1983 is a National Award-winning Kannada language film based on the 1943 short story collection by R.K. Narayan. Malgudi Days is a TV series that premiered in 1986 and was shot in both Hindi and English languages. Looking into his officially created script for Miss Malini, which was the first and only movie for which he did so, other known director S.S. Vasant's Hindi language satirical film was inspired by the 1949 novel Mr. Sampat. The Printer of Malgudi by R.K. Narayan and the movie Miss Malini, R.K. Narayan's other works had made him a beloved writer worldwide. His legacy in Indian literature is profound, shaping the course of Indian English writing and influencing generations of writers. Past is gone, present is going, tomorrow is day after tomorrow's yesterday. So why worry about anything? God is in all this, said R.K. Narayan through his writing skills. In the field of awards and recognition, there are many to name. The Sahitya Akademi Award 1960 was awarded for his novel The Guide, which is one of India's highest literary honors. He won the Padma Bhushan Award in 1964, which stands as India's third highest civilian award. For R.K. Narayan's outstanding literary contributions, he received the A.C. Bensal Medal in 1980 from the Royal Society of Literature. He had glory to his name, for he had won the Sahitya Akademi Fellowship in 1994, the Padma Vibhushan in 2000, the Raman Magsaysay Award in 1968, and the honorary doctorates from the University of Leeds 1967, University of Delhi 1973 and University of Mysore 1976. Narayan's unique style, characterized by humor, wit and insightful observations of Indian society, has influenced many Indian writers including Salman Rushdie, Vikram Seth and Amitav Ghosh. The ability to create relatable characters and explore universal themes through the lens of Indian culture has made Narayan's work timeless. His legacy extends beyond his literary achievements. He was nominated to the Rajya Sabha, the upper house of India's parliament. He wrote, "It's often said that God made man in his own image. It's also true that man makes God in his own image." A strong writer whose impact on Indian literature is immeasurable. Through his works, he introduced accessible form of Indian storytelling, free from the complexities of colonial influence. One of the most significant time in Narayan's life was his friendship with British author Graham Greene, who was his mentor and close confidant, who later played a pivotal role in Narayan's success and supported him throughout his career. Narayan's words were simple, his prose humorous, to depict the lives of ordinary people in India. Graham Greene had beautifully written these lines for R.K. Narayan's novel. "Whom next shall I meet in Malgudi? That is the thought that comes to me when I close a novel of his. I do not wait for another novel. I want to go out of my door into those loved and shabby streets and see with excitement and a certainty of pleasure a stranger approaching who will greet me and will open a door onto yet another human existence." In mid-2016, Narayan's former home in Mysore was converted to a museum in his honor. On 8 November 2019, Narayan's book Swami and Friends was chosen as one of BBC's 100 novels that shaped our world. His novels Talkative Man, The Painter of Science, The World of Nagaraj, Grandmother's Tale, and others have made the situation as familiar to the reader as if it were their own backyard. In 2014, Google commemorated Narayan's 108th birthday by featuring a doodle showing him behind a copy of Malgudi Days. Our memories stay alive, so vivid when we remember this great Indian writer and author who passed away on May 13th in 2001 at the age of 94. Today, on this very day, it seems that we have lost an illuminating gem who had made an everlasting impression, so realistic, so natural on our Indian society. Narayan wrote, "Life is about making right things and going on." R.K. Narayan has left a great deal of knowledge to use and crusade through life. If we try to understand, try to grasp, and try to implement, we are going to see a new future, new perspective of living in our own beautiful society. Thank you.
You just heard this talk on the topic R.K. Narayan's Portrait of Indian Lifestyle. by Srimati Ranu Mehta. This broadcast came to you from the Indraprasth channel of Akashvani.